There you go. Good job. You got it?
Yes, I am. I'm recording you.
There you go. All right, we're going to put this over your head. There you go. Just like that. No, you're not. You're good. You're good. Just like that. I got it. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to mash in your brake for me. Now, we're not going to use this, okay?
Hold on, Laydon.
All right. We're about to get this started, okay? Mash it on the brake right here, really, really hard. All right, take your foot out, put on the gas right there. There you go. We're gonna stop at the stop sign, okay?
Hit the brake. Brake.
There you go.
Good
All right, we're
job.
gonna let these cars go by and we're gonna go straight ahead, okay? All right, now you got it. Nice and smooth. Good job, dude. All right, not too fast, not too slow, okay? All right. Good job.
75 here.
There you go. All right, checking traffic. All right, whenever you get over, when he gets over, you can get over, okay? There you go. Good job. All right, our speed limit is 65 miles an hour.
Oh.
So you kind of cut the truck off over there.